So once you have burned your Raspbian image on the SD card, you can start booting onto the Raspberry Pi. So but before that, to assign a static IP to your Raspbian Pi, you need to make some changes in the boot image. So go to your SD card, double click on it. You can locate this file named cmdline.txt. Open the file. So it's better if you use Notepad++. So don't change any of these lines. At the end, just add this line: IP is equal to 192.168.2.50. So just you need to make a note of this IP address. Hit save and close this. Remove your SD card and plug it in your Raspberry Pi. So before you move on to booting your Raspberry Pi, you need to make some changes on your Windows machine. So open your network sharing center, click on change adapter settings, and since we are connecting your Raspberry Pi to your computer through Ethernet, you need to right click on this local area connection properties, and then select IPv4 and select this. Use the following IP address and enter your IP address as 192.168.2.1. So do remember, the first three parameters should be the same for both Raspberry Pi and your host machine, and the last number on the machine should be 1. So this denotes your home machine, and just press tab, then you can enter this subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. So that thing will be automatically entered by the system. Click OK. Now we will boot your Raspberry Pi. So once your Raspberry Pi starts booting, you can check this icon. It will start connecting to the Raspberry Pi. Now you can see here it's already started connecting. So we'll check whether it is being connected properly to the Raspberry Pi or not. So open command and let's check what's the IP address of my machine. So just type ipconfig and you can see here our system's IP address is 192.168.2.1. Now we will check whether we are connected to the Raspberry Pi or not. So to check that, type ping 192.168.2.50, which is the IP address of the Raspberry Pi, and it should reply, and if it's replying then it's good, then it means that you have successfully assigned static IP to your Raspberry Pi. Now we will log in through PuTTY. Okay, so just close this, open PuTTY and type your IP address 192.168.2.50 and hit open. So you should see. So once you are connected to your Raspberry Pi through Ethernet, you will get this message to assign a new RSA key. So just accept it by pressing yes. So now you need to log into your Raspberry Pi. So the default username and password are username is Pi and password is Raspberry. So now we are successfully logged on to your Raspberry Pi. Now we'll check. So yeah, we have already logged into the Raspberry Pi. Now you can see the files. Now let's create a directory in the home root directories. Sorry. Now by pressing ls, you can see we have already created a directory. Now we will enter into the directory, and by using nano we will create a simple Python code. So before that we will check whether Python is installed or not. By default Python is installed in almost all Linux operating systems. So to check that, type Python space double hyphen and version. So you can see Python is there. You can start the Python shell by just typing Python. Yeah, now you are running Python. So if you just type 2 plus 3, yeah, you can get the answer as 5, and right now you are running Python on the terminal. So to exit, just type exit. So now you are out of the Python shell. Now let's create a simple Python file. So I will use the editor nano. Type nano space file name and give the extension. So now we can see the editor is open. Now we'll write a simple code to add two numbers. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to A plus B. Print sum is print C. So once you have written the code, just press Ctrl X, press yes, enter. And if you press ls, you can see the Python file. Now let's run the file. So to run the file, just type Python space the file name. Yeah, now you can see the code has been executed. Thank you for watching.